They're refueling them now.
Next time we're gonna go to see those.
Never.
Right?
I flew out of here at an airport.
I'm out here without my coat. Hold on, I'm videoing it right now. Like I'm getting straight up video shots.
This is so cool.
They're tying it to the wheels?
Yes.
Yeah, they have to tie the blades down or they can't blow this thing over. Yep.
They're not here for a refueling either.
There's a fuel truck right there.
I know, that's not why they're here though. Because they'd keep the blades going while they're fueling.
We're going out to see them.
They work here. There's probably military family, dude. I wish I had a military pass we could get in.
Quick, get in the truck. We'll sneak in when this guy comes up.
They have people watching the gates. They're surrounded by cameras, I bet, too.
Family military.
So am I. My father is a veteran.
My cousin's currently serving.
Yeah, that's family.